Today is Wednesday, and we're gonna go check on the progress that we've done on the bike. It's been dropped Friday last week, and some things have been done to it, so we're gonna go and check it out. We're taking the scooter today. It is absolutely freezing in Seoul, -3, and this morning it went down to -11, so let's go see the bike. You didn't see the video. It was good. I think it was a good video. You don't like it. All right. So this is Wednesday. We dropped the bike on Friday last week, and it's a big job. So this has been going for a few days. So let's start with the cockpit. So now we have 333 with Zeta clip-ons here. So clamp on, and then these are convenient because when you crash, you can just replace the individual bar very quickly. And this year I'm going to run a rear handbrake. So we have here the rear brake, and there's gonna be no foot pedal, and down here we have the clutch. Remote brake adjuster by Zeta that goes to RCS front master cylinder. The brake lines have been changed to tire lines. These are Swaje brake lines, yeah? Swaje? Ulich.
Yeah.
And we have one long brake line that goes from the left master all the way to here. Next, we changed the rear shock link. It's hard to see, but this linkage changes the shock from progressive to linear, which is more suitable for track riding. We're eventually gonna change the rear sets, of course. Airbox. Oh, we got Kim here helping me. Thank you, buddy. So the hole has been grinded and opened up. Thank you very much. So the intake is a lot bigger because it was sitting right behind the frame and the steering tube. I will put some pictures.
It's a race filter.
We're going to run MWR race filter, which is great. I think from Netherlands, right? Maybe. Possibly, maybe Northern Europe. Already the front fender is on. This is from S2 Concept. And oh yeah, the rear subframe has been mounted, and under the subframe there will be the battery and the ABS pump and other stuff. So Mr. Kim is going to use some sheet aluminum and make an under tray to put here. And what else? Secondary air valve covers, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the purge valve is going to be disabled with the ECU flash later on. So that's quite a lot of work. This is gonna take some more time because I don't have many of the parts, and this is an expensive game, so I'm just juggling between money and parts and orders. So I think Kim is doing a great job. This looks spectacular. Oh yeah, one more thing. We relocated the dashboard, original TFT dashboard, with the bracket always by S2 Concept. Alright, so this is how it's looking right now. And these are actually the original velocity stacks. They're not too bad, quite short and smooth, so I think there's no need to buy some more expensive ones for now. One thing I would like to do in the future is change this original switch block, because it's very big, and if you crash, these guys are expensive to replace. Same thing on the other side. Maybe replace this in the future. There's no more key block, because with the ECU flash we are going to disable the immobilizer. So there's going to be just a button to turn on and off the ignition, and then we're gonna start the bike from here.